Oh, hey everybody. We made it. Yeah, it's windy. It's very, very windy. Took off this morning about 7:15 from Jennings, and it was smooth as glass. Got up to, I think I was at 4,500. Headed out, made the curve around the MOA. Got up there a little bit, and had to turn around because it was nothing but clouds below me. Couldn't see a thing. And I couldn't tell where it was going to end because for whatever reason, I'm not receiving weather. I got to figure that one out. So I landed back at the cab, really nice little airport. Spent a little bit of time there, talked to Chris. We kind of worked out a plan. I took off, had to poke my way through clouds to get out of there. Got to Tyler, and the air again was smooth as glass until I hit 3,500 on my descent, and holy crap. So last I looked at my gauges, my Grand Rapids, from what I can tell, I landed at 85 miles an hour. I touched down at 85 indicated, and my ground speed was in the 20s to low 30s, somewhere in there. On final, I hit overspeed twice, so I was having to work that out. And every time I'd pull back to loosen that speed, I'd gain 500-600 feet. It was insane. So I finally, luckily, it's a big regional airport and had lots of concrete for me to use. I used just a little bit of it, but way down the runway. It worked out really well. And then I knew that I couldn't stay there because it's just going to get worse and worse. And I knew it was good at altitude. So I fueled up, made some calls, checked some things, took off, and it was a quick takeoff. Then I came straight here, and it wasn't a Dan Reynolds elevator. It was a Scott Tyree elevator. I was at the threshold. I was 400 AGL, because I knew I had to get past these hangars, had to get past the trees. So I touched down about midfield, and it just came in. It was nice. I know after my performance at SwampSTOL, you're going to go, yeah, BS. And I don't have a camera to prove it. But I did it. It was actually a decent landing. It was a very short roll. So I'm going to put the bird away and go home because I'm kind of beat up. So you guys have a good day. Talk to you later.